Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of Storm Maverick Teaches Music. I am Storm Maverick, and I'm going to teach you how to use the compressor and the equalizer. First, let's add a synthesizer. I'll right click something on here, then we go to Insert, and then I like to use Citrus. This equalizer here costs Citrus, so I'll go ahead and press on that. And then right after that, okay, I'm going to take care of some stuff. Right click for organization purposes. Alright. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick me an equalizer to work on. I decide I probably want to work on the Your Gate synthesizer. And then I'm going to go ahead and right click this. Oh, by the way, you get there by clicking this and then presets, and then you pick from there. Let me go ahead and right click this, click on piano roll, and then I'm going to compose something. Click on the ABC thing, make it easier for me. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. So I'll make one like this, put one right here, another right there, and basically it should come out the way I want it. Oops, that's too fast, never mind. It's a fourth stanza. So I'll put that there, put this here, then that right there, then that right there. And hopefully it comes out the way I want it to sound. So let's see now. Oops, I messed up again. You want to put that there. This here. Move that back. Put this here. And that right there. Now we listen. Now I got it the way I wanted to. Time to click on this. Reason I want this to be selected. Then I'm going to click on the soundboard. I'm going to pick me a channel to work on. I right click that channel. Then I'm going to go to link selected channels and to this track. And then it goes right there. And then I'm going to click on this. And after that, I'm going to use both the Fruity multi-brand compressor, as well as I go ahead and click underneath it. I want to use the Fruity parametric equalizer too. So right there, I got both of them right there. And I'm going to go ahead and take stuff off for organization purposes. And it says Your Gate on it, what I picked right there. Your Gate here, Your Gate there. I'm going to put that right there. Going to put this up here. And then I can work on it with the equalizer and the compressor. So you got 4 knobs here that I'm going to use mostly. Usually I only use these 4 knobs. You adjust it to get the sound you want. Usually with the triangle, the pink triangle, the closer it is here, the more high pitch it is. The stronger it is, the more this orange thing is going towards the right. The more high pitch it would get, or have a different effect to it if I go ahead and put it around like this. So and then you got over here, 1 is low, 7 is high, and you got the mids right here, like 3 to 5. So 1 and 2 are the lows, 6 and 7 are the highs. So let's go ahead and start working on it. I think I made something pretty good. Let's go ahead and save this pattern or rename it synth. And then we go ahead and name the other pattern drums. I'm going to put over here on this thing the 4 drum patterns like that, and that one synth pattern I'm going to put underneath. Then, you know, with the pattern thing here, you can switch what patterns to pick right there. You can always put a new one with this plus sign. And then I'm going to put song here so it starts playing over here. Now I already checked the volumes of the drums already. I already got that set up. Let me do this one right here. Alright, got it at -6 close as I could. And now I'm going to see how it sounds with the drums. So I'm going to make a drum beat. If you want to double it up, go ahead and right click there, piano row, and there's a good way to do that. Paste page down to zoom out. And you can highlight all this right over here. I have to do this quick. I think I went out of time to put this on 15 minutes. So you want to go ahead and copy it. So go to edit right over here and copy. Then you could click, you know, scroll down a little bit. Then click on paste. Then after that, use this right here to move it. And you can have a little bit of bass tone to it. So we work on this for a little bit. And make sure you always hit the right keys with it. So. See how I highlighted it? I copied, then I scroll down a little bit, then I paste, then I go from this highlighting tool to this paintbrush, and then I scroll down the second half. And easily, if you have it highlighted in pink, you want to move just this part. You just go around here, any part where that line is, and it goes down for you to sound like that. Well, thank you everybody for hearing that. Let's go ahead and do something really cool with this before I go, if I have time. Let's go ahead and just put these 2 parts right here, and then we put the drum parts, and then let it fade out at the end. So they put the drum parts underneath those last 2 parts. We put it right here, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for learning how to use the compressor and equalizer today. I hope it helped you out. So enjoy this. Oh man, I thought it was recording the Where the freak is it?